Hi, I'm Glenn Rush, Visual Design Manager at Build.com.
Welcome to our new educational series, Design Lab.
We're here to talk about some of the trends, why they're here, what made them get here, and how to put them together. Today, we'll be discussing organic modern. It's really about breaking clean lines with organic forms. How I see organic modern having come to fruition was through the popularity of mid-century design, farmhouse, modern architecture, and boho. Some of the elements that you'll see in organic modern: lots of plants, some woven textures, especially in the lights and rugs, some neutral palette, especially with your flooring and furniture, and then really nice, bright, modern architecture and white walls really brighten up the space. There's a lot of things that can go into this look. You can start out in a farmhouse type setting. You can start out in a modernist building. It's really about the objects that you're bringing in to soften that look. Say you live on the coast and you love that nautical feel. Bringing in a found object like a ship wheel can really help break up that modern aesthetic and bring in some character. Let's say you're starting with a traditional space that you want to update. A lot of traditional kitchens that I see have oak cabinets and a dark floor. You can really open up the room by painting the cabinets white and adding, let's say, a white oak flooring. The way that you're going to incorporate the organic part of this look is bring in some woven shades to replace those old pendants over your island. Maybe replace the stools that are going at your island too with something handcrafted or woven as well. This is just one way to approach the organic modern style. There's a lot of different ways, but as long as you stay with that neutral color palette and you really curate those objects so that you don't verge on maximalism, you're really nailing the look and getting that nice, clean, organic modern space. If you think you've nailed the organic modern style, click the links below to share your space for a chance to be featured on Build.com. Well, thanks for checking us out. And if you liked this and want to learn about more styles, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.